with our previous video, we learned how to complete the inner cover of our notebook. Today we are going to discuss how to do the paper cutter for each page. First I'll go to the shapes option and then I will select a rounded corner rectangle. Decide a proper size you need and adjust it. So with this yellow point, you can curve the edges like this. Now I'll drag the bottom edge to make it bit longer. Now look at these steps carefully. We are going to add the cut like this. First select the paper, then press your Ctrl key from the keyboard. Together with that, you should select the rectangle too. As you can see on the screen, both my paper as well as the shape was selected now. Now under the Format tab, you can find the Merge Shapes option. From here, you should select Subtract. Here see, I got a suitable cutting like this. But as you can see, we are not finalized yet. I have to add a suitable color for this cut. Let's go to the Shapes category again. And from here, I'm going to take a rectangle and I'll cover the cut with that. Now let's remove the outline and select a suitable inner color. Okay, so if you have finalized the colors, press Send Backward from the Format tab. As you can see, now the cut was perfectly added. Now we are going to make both our paper and the cut a bit realistic. So as you have done it with me before, we are going to select both together by using the Ctrl key. Then from the shadow option, I'll select this. Now it looks perfect. Finally, we'll add a page number. To do this, let's get a text box from our Insert tab. Here I'll write page 1. Now from the text directions, I'm going to turn it. So from this menu, I'm going to select the third option. Alright, now I will place it on my cutter. Finally, you can adjust it with your favorite font style as well as the size. So this will be the final look of my page. So with our next video, we are going to learn how to complete our left side of the book. As well as that, I'm going to teach you how to turn our pages properly. So stay tuned. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.